Hey guys, so today I'm going to be going over a code I made to classify movie reviews from IMDb. So essentially what this is, it's a machine learning or supervised machine learning algorithm that looks at over around 50,000 reviews from a data set and classifies them as either a positive review or a negative review. And essentially what supervised machine learning is that it takes a training data set and a testing data set. So it already knows the answer, so it looks at positive reviews and it knows those are positive reviews, and then it also looks at negative reviews and knows those are negative reviews. So for this we're going to need a data set, and we're actually going to get this data set from Keras, which is a library within TensorFlow. So we're just going to search for movie review data set, and I think it is this one. Yeah, so 25,000 reviews from this, and then we're only going to consider the top 10,000 most common words. So in the code over here we have our training data and our test data labels set over here, and the total number of words are going to be 10,000 for this. So now I'm just going to show you guys what this really did. I'm just going to print out two statements right here. Just comment this out. Probably going to take a while. So right here it shows us that our training entries of 25,000, and along with that the 25,000 labels. Over here it shows us the length of the review. Let's check this. Yes, the length of the first review and the length of the second review. So the first review has 218 characters, and the next one has 189 characters. So one problem that this shows is that our data sets or our reviews are of different lengths, and that's a problem for the neural network since it can't look at different input values. So what we have to do next is in this part of the code we're just gonna put some padding on it near the end of the words. So essentially, since the first one, let's say it's 218, we're gonna add a bunch of spaces to the end of the review to make them both 218, or whichever one's the highest one. And the highest one is 256 characters. So that's essentially what this is doing over here. And then right here at the end, I printed it out again. Let's just run that. So this is how the review would look. This film was brilliant, etc., whatever, and each of these correspond to an integer. So for example, the first entry had 218 integers and the second one had 184, and we have to make these balanced. So after cleaning and fixing our data and adding the spaces to the end to make all the reviews the same line, we need now to make our neural network. So in our network we're going to have the input layers, and then we're going to have two hidden layers and then a final output layer. But that's not enough. So after we have our network done, we need to also make a loss function. And essentially what this loss function does is it takes the data and looks at how inaccurate it was and then goes back and improves it. So over here, this history equals model.fit. This is the part where we're training it, and we're training it for a batch size of 75. So if I run this, it's going to show us each of the samples. So the first one was a loss of 67, accuracy of 0.61. You can see that the accuracy increases each time it runs. So it goes from 61% to 82 to 88 to 90. It's going to keep on doing that till it reaches 75. So that's going to take a while. I'm just going to pause that. And then at the end over here, through this results variable, we can sum up what we've done. Look at our outputs. So right here we have a loss of 0.4 and an accuracy of 0.86, which is pretty good. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll link this code in the description, and you can definitely go in, change it up, maybe even improve it. That being said, have a great day.